Third part of nutrition and diet. If we choose some items from each group in the right proportion according to the pyramid shown on page 53, we can make sure that we are getting a balanced diet. Fiber. If we select a daily diet which includes vegetable, fruits, sprouts and cereals according to the pyramid, we will also get fiber in sufficient quantity. Can you recall what trouble do we have to face if we do not get enough fiber from our daily diet? What care must be taken to make sure that fiber is not lost or removed from the food we eat? Water, along along with all the other nutrients the body also needs as adequate supply of water. For this purpose we must drink milk, buttermilk, lemon juice, sherbets, fruit juices and plenty of water. Malnutrition occurs when all nutrition that the body needs are not obtained in the proper proportions from the diet. This happens when a person does not have sufficient food or when the diet is not balanced. If one's diet exceeds one's need, it is called overnutrition. Always remember, if our need for nutrition is met through the food we eat, the nutrients are better utilized in our body. Hence, the best way to good health is taking a balanced diet and avoiding the deficiency of any nutrition. Okay, now uh, junk food, chocolates, noodles, burgers, pizzas, chips, bottled soft drinks, attractively packaged snacks, as also ready, ready fried foodstuffs available in the market, such as vadas, pakoras, etc., are very tasty and we like them very much. However, these foodstuffs contain refined flour, sugar, oil in large proportions. When refined flour is made from wheat or when sugar is made is made is made from sugar cane, many nutrients in the wheat or sugar cane are lost in the process. Hence, all we get from these foods is energy and our hunger is satisfied. Naturally, if we eat a lot of junk foods, we will get insufficient quantities of the items from other food groups. If this happens frequently, our our body soon experiences a shortage of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, and that may lead to malnutrition. Junk food, as eaten frequently, also causes obesity. Obesity is not good for our health, as such foods do not supply all the necessary nutrients. They are called junk foods. How to avoid obesity? Have a balanced diet. Eat grains, eat fruits and vegetables with their skins. Increase use of bicycles. Play more outdoor games. Do not eat if you are not hungry. Do not watch TV while eating. Do not use motorcycles for traveling or short distance. Uh, Avoid pre-cooked packaged food, adulteration of food. In order to earn more profits, cheaper substances of low quantity are mixed with the foodstuffs. These substances are called adul- adulterants, and adding them to foodstuffs is called adulteration of food. Adulterations may even be poisonous or harmful to health. Such adulterated food is impure and harmful and so unfit for consumption. Adulterants we used to adulterate food are such that they will remain unnoticed even when mixed with the food. Food food items, adulterants, milk, water, chemical like urea, starch, chili powder, brick powder, powder pumpkin, peppercorns, papaya seeds, ice cream, washing soda, paper pulp, rice, small white stones, peanuts, reddish pebble stones. Always remember, adulteration of a food is a crime. Do not eat adulterated foods. Okay. Now this is the third part. Okay. First, like, share, subscribe my channel. What we have learned from this lesson: nutrition is the process of taking food and water and uses them to obtain energy and for the purpose of growth and other bodily functions. A diet containing all nutrients in the right quantity is called a balanced diet. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber are the nutrients in food. A balanced diet includes all nutrients in the right quantities. The food pyramid helps us to choose a balanced diet. Whether a person is malnourished or has deficiency disease depends upon the proportions of food taken. Junk food gives us energy but not other nutrients. Adulterated food is impure and harmful to health. Okay, now I have completed this full textbook. Okay, now after this I will tell you which subject I will make the video. I will got time. Okay, now okay, so I will send the exercise. Okay, uh, I will. Okay, bye. Tata.